Alright guys, welcome to new video. In this video we going to learn about the word continue. I actually told you guys that I was going to teach us in the last video, but then I got rambling on about comments and probably something else. So we will go ahead and learn about continue in this tutorial. So what I want to do is, I want to make a list real quick, and I'm going to name it numbers taken. And of course I always like to pretend like I'm the coach of a Indian cricket team. That's like my little dream in life. I'm the coach of the Indian cricket team. And we beat Australia Melbourne. So anyways, that's my dream. Let's get back to real life tutorials. So all of these numbers resemble people on my team, their jersey number. So of course what I want to do is I want to make a program to loop through. And it pretty much says what jerseys you are allowed to have. Still, so we'll make like a list from 1 to 20, and it will include all of the numbers, except these ones easy enough. So what I can do is let me give you guys just a little print statement. Here are the numbers that are still available. So all the players who haven't picked jersey yet can see this program and pick a number from this list. So of course the first thing we do is put for n in range, and I will just put the numbers 1, 20. So of course this is going to loop through the numbers 1 to 19. And I will just make a simple if statement. So if n in numbers taken. And let me write this entire programs. And then I will explain to you guys what it does. Alright. So as you can see, what's going to happen is it's going to loop through the numbers 1 to 20. And it's going to print all of the numbers except for the ones in this list right there. So 1 it's going to check off. 2 it's going to check off. 5 is in there, and if it does it's going to skip it. So that's how you can kind of think of continued. So, unlike break, whenever you know that, whenever you have break it breaks out of the loop completely, and stops the entire loop. What continue is going to do, it says, okay, whenever you get to this word continue, whatever is after this in the loop just skip it, and go to the next iteration of the loop. So if something was after it, it wouldn't break out of the loop completely and stop the loop, it would keep going. It would just skip whatever after it. So just kind of explain a couple of these loops. So the first time n equals 1. So says is 1 in the numbers taken, nope. So I'm going to print out 1. Next time n equals 2. 2 and the numbers taken, nope. Next time n equals 5. 5 in the numbers taken. Well, yes it is, so continue. What does that mean? It means anything after this. Say maybe we had a bunch of lines, it said skip all of these. Then just go back to the start of the loop, where n equals the next number, in this case 6. So again, really simple. Well, continue means is keep going with the loop, but skip anything after it. And break means break out of the loop completely, stop it, and continue with the rest of your code. So hopefully you guys understand. And I was actually going to teach you about functions in this tutorial, but I think we are out of time. So well, thank you guys for watching. And don't forget to subscribe, and see you later with functions.